These are the elevators at the Life Sciences building. Oh, it's in power save. This one's locked. So we got the 3. KONE. Yeah, it's okay. Not the best. Cab is okay. For KONE, this is better from what I've seen. And I don't know where the other one is, so we'll send you up to 3. Oh, it's here. Let's see how stupid. Oh, it left. Pretty sure these are the only 2 elevators here. Hopefully our old friend doesn't come back. Nope, it's here. Probably somebody on it. I do chime outside. Lantern does not work properly here. They're okay at best. Stop switch. That's actually kind of uncommon. Let me see if I could get you the down chime just quickly, as long as there's no calls. Typical KONE buttons. See, I don't think there's a call. It's not gonna do it. Okay. Okay. And that's it.